Hey, my bosses. Good morning, good evening, good night, good afternoon. I'm not sure what time of day you are watching this, but thanks again for joining another Boss Creations production here over on the Boss Creations studio. Now, this is going to be part two of our video, our cleaning video that you saw yesterday. This is us doing the shelves, coordinating the baskets, organizing the baskets and everything. These baskets I got from Dollar Tree. Now, Dollar Tree is like the bomb.com when it comes to storage containers, storage situations. I always go to Dollar Tree for my storage, for office storage supplies, crafting storage supplies. You don't want to spend a whole lot of money. And these baskets are a big 11 by 11 size for only $1.25, y'all. Only $1.25. And it makes your office look way more coordinated and organized and just way more appealing to the eye when everything is all coordinated in the way you need it to be coordinated, right? So everything is good. So this video is just going to be just me organizing out these baskets, changing out all these colored baskets like the black and white ones that I have, the orange ones that I have, the brown ones that I have that just do not match my business at all. It was just a quick thing that I got for the time being when I was starting my business. And I was like, okay, well, this will work for now. But since everything is all good, business is set, business is booming, let's just go ahead and make the office feel the way I feel. And that's boss level. You know what I mean? So we're just up elevating our office space to match our business criteria, boss level. You know what I mean? So, yeah. So all I'm doing now is just getting rid of all the old baskets, putting them in the new baskets, and putting like items together, unlike items together, finding what positioning on the shelf that I want to use it in, because you know more the stuff that you want to use, that you use more often, the stuff that you would want to have closer to the top, and the stuff that you do not get to as often, you will leave those down at the bottom. So just going through that, I have a lot of Boss Beauty new products, test products that we're going to be launching this year. We're going to be doing body shimmer oils. We're going to be doing lip oils, lip glosses, and stuff like that for Boss Beauty. So we have all our tester products. That's what I'm kind of putting to the side right now. All the tester products. Then these are all my beads and stuff. I'm keeping them in this container for when I do all my beaded jewelry, my waist beads, my necklaces, my bracelets, and all that. I'm going to keep them in this container, but I'm going to put this container inside of that container. That is a teal color container, so I am not getting rid of that because that is a part of my branding colors. All shades of teal are in my brand colors. So I take all shades of teal. So I'm going to use all of that together to make this office as aesthetically pleasing to the eye as I can possibly get it. As like I'm saying, I'm pleasing myself, and I am going to be trying to make sure everything looks good on the camera from when I do my videos for you guys. So just getting everything out organized, putting all my beads together, and everything like that is going to be very well productive. And when it's coming to getting what I need to get from here to do this product or this order, and so forth and so forth, everything fits inside of that basket really well. So I just stick it on there in the side so it doesn't have like a messy, unorganized look to it when you're looking at it. All right, so as we're packing up the rest of our beads in the side of this basket, everything is coming out good. Everything looks like it's getting organized very nicely, and everything is fitting in this basket the way I need it to fit, so everything can go on this one shelf, and I don't have to have 2 to 3 different baskets or areas that I need to go to just to find the beads that I need to find. All right, so right now I'm just going through all the other containers, making sure I have all the beads, all everything that is bead related, jewelry making related, so I can put everything in this container So everything bead related, jewelry making related, blinging related, all that good stuff is in one container. And all I got to do is just grab this one container when it's time to do that project, that order, or whatever it is I'm doing for that particular material. All right, found some more things that belongs with the beading jewelry making baskets. So we're just putting all that stuff in there, getting rid of all these old baskets that I don't no longer need. If you can look at the bottom left hand corner over there, you saw like a little brown basket. That's all over with, done with. We got to get rid of them, throw them away. We don't need them no more. So now we're going to come over here to the pressing table. Over here is where I have all the epoxy stuff. Over here is where that is where I keep the beading basket over here in this little area. I'm going to switch out that epoxy bin and change, or maybe not. No, I didn't change that. I left that as is. I thought I gave that a different bin color, but I guess I didn't. But anyways, everything over here is pretty good. I am going to change out that brown because that brown is not a good pleasing color for me. I think I kept two of these black and white baskets because they kind of match, but they don't really match, but they do match better than the brown baskets matched. Like I said, we're just making our pressing table look a little bit better. This is the table that I house the Cricut Explorer Air 2, the table that I house the hat press by Viver, and my Fancy Studio 15 by 15 heat press. Underneath it, I have my Cricut vinyl, my epoxy resin, my beads and bead making material, jewelry making material, my bead box with other beads. That's those little plastic containers that you see on that bottom shelf. On top of that, you have my laminator. That is a Scotch brand laminator. The container beside that, which is one that I'm going to be changing out because that is like a foam container that came in a packaging thing, and because it was like a box shape at the time that I got it, I used it as a container. But now, since I do have other containers that I can be using for this, I'm going to switch that out for another container and get rid of this foam because that foam ain't it. So I'm going to open one of these Dollar Tree packages, and all that stuff that is in that foam container is going to get transferred into that canvas um, collapsible container. All right, pop that bad boy open, and now we just gonna load this bad boy up. I'm not sure if I remember if what I had in this. I think this was like a bunch of miscellaneous things. As y'all see, I had my little mini press in there. That ain't even going there. But this is the box that I normally put my Okay, these are an order that I did a while ago, and the person never came and picked it up. This is a box that I do for my dominoes. When I do my dominoes, this is the box that I put them in for delivery. And a tray set that somebody did not come back for, I was like, okay, I am going to do something with that tray set. I might do that tray set over. It was a whole good tray set, too. I think it was a Crown Royal tray set, but I digress on all of that good stuff. But that was all that was housed in this little container, really. All that other stuff was pretty much trash. And just take that out of that. So this is going to be kind of like a little miscellaneous container that's going to be held underneath my... All right, everything is good and packed in. That is going to be in this container. So we're going to house this container back in the spot that it's going to be housed and lives for the rest of its days or until I find a new office. Other than that, we are pretty much done. I am not doing this tall shelf one right now because I'm still trying to figure out how I'm going to organize that. But other than that, everything else is pretty much done. Just putting up these last little miscellaneous things, throwing away all these little baskets. Y'all see I lit my little candle, give my office that nice good scent. Because, like I said, I'm done. I'm just taking up all this trash. Everything finna go. All these baskets finna go. That's finna go. That goes where it needs to go. Yo, If y'all like what y'all see, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Oh, sorry. I ain't done. I forgot I had the top shelf on this to do. But this ain't, like I said, this ain't gonna take that long. I'm just separating. I'm just getting rid of the boxes. Take the stuff out the boxes, put them inside the little plastic the containers, because I'm trying to get rid of boxes. Boxes are not, if I don't need the box, I ain't gotta have the box. If what's in the box can go into a decorative container, that's what it's gonna do, and that's where it's gonna go to make my office look a little bit more cleaner and pleasing to the eye. So we're just gonna take, this is stuff for Boss Beauty. Lip gloss bottles, lip gloss labels, plastic Ziploc bags and stuff like that. So we're just taking them all out the boxes, put them inside this container so I can put them on the top shelf, and the boxes don't look very pleasing to the eye. So just going, you know, like I said, if you guys have any comments, concerns, or any suggestions, please leave them down in the comment section down below. If you like what you see, please hit that notification bell so you are notified anytime I post a new video. Hit that subscribe button and become a part of the Boss Beauty family. And on that note, I'm just going to let y'all watch the last little bit of this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. I believe the next video is going to be me doing some orders and stuff like that. So I'll let y'all know. The next one will be probably in a couple of days, if not by next week. All right, y'all. It's been great. It's been lovely. I'll see y'all on the next one. All right, y'all, this is as far as I'm going to go. This is how the office looks from the beginning. Go around on the other side. This is how it looks from this side. This is how it looks from this side. You've got the heat press station with the hat press and the Cricut. Then you have my tall table with all my other storage containers. And then we turn around to the bookshelf, printing station, and all that good stuff. The vinyl storage, shipping station, and then our work table. All right, y'all. See y'all in the next one. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Don't forget to shop bosscreations.com. Link will be in the description.